To create a course in Teachable, start by logging into your Teachable account and navigating to the Courses page. Click on the New Course button to begin the course creation process. First, enter the title of your course and a brief description to give students an idea of what your course is about. You can also add a course image and set a course price or make it free. Next, create a course curriculum by adding sections and lectures. Sections are used to organize your lectures into categories, while lectures are the individual lessons within each section. You can add text, images, videos, and other media to your lectures to make them engaging and informative. To add a lecture, click on the New Lecture button and enter the title and content of your lecture. You can also add quizzes, surveys, and other interactive elements to your lectures to keep students engaged. Once you have created your course curriculum, you can customize the course settings to control how students access and interact with your course. This includes setting the course format, payment options, and email notifications. Finally, review and test your course to make sure everything is working as expected. You can do this by previewing your course as a student or testing it with a small group of beta testers. By following these steps, you can create a high-quality course in Teachable that engages and educates your students. Remember to keep your course content organized, engaging, and informative, and to continuously evaluate and improve your course based on student feedback. Best practices for creating a course in Teachable include using high-quality images and videos, providing clear and concise instructions, and offering ongoing support to your students. By following these best practices, you can create a successful and profitable course that attracts and retains students. Overall, creating a course in Teachable is a straightforward process that requires some planning and effort, but can be very rewarding. With the right approach and a focus on providing value to your students, you can create a successful and profitable course that helps you achieve your goals.